Hey guys, Danny here. Welcome. Today I'm going to do a quick video here on uninstalling and uninstalling the upgraded version of Eureka Core Wallet, the staking wallet. So I've had a few people ask me this. It's actually pretty simple. This is the download link here. Okay. Before you go any further, let's first talk about private keys. Make sure you have saved your private keys for any address that you have any Eureka coin in. This is absolutely paramount. With those private keys, you can do a lot. Your computer could explode. It wouldn't matter. As long as you got those private keys, you still got your wallet. You can actually use those private keys to open a wallet on the Lite wallet or the Android wallet. It's actually I like it better than the 12-word seed phrase. But you really need to have those private keys. Make sure you do that first. If you don't know how to do it, I have that video I can send you the link for. Actually, I can put the link for that video down below in the description. It's I think it's called it's in here somewhere. How to back up and reset your wallet. Fixing incorrect balance. How to back up your wallet and restore it. Follow that. That's from Nahil, the guy that you know they call him Brains. He's the blockchain expert for Eureka. I think he wrote pretty much all the 600 pages of code. I'm not sure of it. He knows what he's doing. So, okay. With that said, let's get started. Settings. First thing you want to do is make sure you close the Eureka wallet. Go to your home. This is in Windows Apps. And I'm sure you know how to do this, but there is a little trick I'm going to show you to keep you from having problems. Uninstall, uninstall, yes, uninstall, close. Okay, that's gone. But then what you need to do is you need to go in and find the installation folder. For me, I know where it's at. It's right here. This still has a lot of stuff in here, right? So whenever you want to uninstall and reinstall the wallet, I recommend going and deleting all this. That's what I do, and that's helped me before when I had problems with it not syncing. So I'm going to delete that wallet. Delete. That's gone. I'll leave the folder there. Close that. And then I will put this link for GitHub. This is for the... Oh, that's for the 32. Maybe that's why I don't have... yeah, here it is. This one's for the 64, Win64. It's faster. You're going to want that one. I'll put the link in there. You can open hyperlink, and it should automatically download it for you just like that. Exit. What I do is I keep the wallet. After I've downloaded, I keep it in a folder, and you'll know you got the right one. It's Eureka Coin 0176. Then the rest is just to go back through and open it, install it, and then use your private keys. Again, that fixing incorrect balance and how to back up your wallet and restore it. That'll show you how to bring your private keys back in to restore your wallet after the wallet has updated. Also, I've got some other videos that teach you how to do all this, but ad nodes, you want to have the ad nodes in there. These are the updated ad nodes. I think they've only changed once. If you're having a problem with the balance on the Explorer being the same as the balance in your wallet, then you might want to add zap wallets equals 2. And that's pretty much it. Just to reinstall your wallet like you would with the old version. Everything else is exactly the same with the new version. It's just much more stable. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Bye.